Good morning, students. In this video, we start the next point, that is probability. It contains 3 points again. First is binomial distribution, second is normal distribution, and third is Poisson distribution. Okay. Now, first of all, we discuss about binomial distribution. In binomial distribution, Poisson and normal, there is again a formula, and we have to use the formula to find the binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, and normal distribution. Okay. So first we discuss about binomial distribution. Now, in binomial distribution, let P of R denote the probability. P of R denote the probability of R success in n trial. P of R denote the probability of R success in n trials. Then, by using binomial distribution, P of R equal to NCR, P to the power R, Q to the power n minus R, where P plus Q is equal to 1 and Q is equal to 1 minus P. Here P denotes the probability of success and Q denotes the probability of failure. Okay. And again we have to, if we have to find mean, then mean is m equal to NP, n be the number and P be the probability of success, and Q be the, and variance is NPQ. Okay, n into P into Q. If we have to find the probability using the binomial distribution, then just we have to use the formula P of R equal to NCR, P to the power R, Q to the power n minus R. Okay, students. Then the example. So, student, with the example, the probability that a newborn child is male 0.6. Okay, मतलब newborn child male है, इसकी probability कितनी है 0.6. And find the probability that in a family of 5 children there are exactly 3 boys. Okay, what we have to find? We have to find the probability that in a family of 5 children there are exactly 3 boys. हमें क्या फाइंड करना है कि फैमिली में टोटल 5 चिल्ड्रन है, उसमें से 3 बॉयज है, इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड आउट करनी है. यहाँ पे हमें गिवन क्या है? प्रोबेबिलिटी इज गिवन दैट अ न्यू बॉर्न चाइल्ड इज अ मेल. इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी है 0.6. ओके, सो यहाँ पे सबसे पहले हम कंसिडर करेंगे कि P with the probability that newborn child is male. Just we denote here, consider the P with the probability that the newborn child is male. So P is equal to 0.6. That is given. Okay. अब हमें यहाँ पे binomial distribution यूज करना है. So Q की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. Now P is 0.6, but we know that P plus Q equal to 1 in binomial distribution. So what is Q? Q is 1 minus P. Q is 1 minus P. So if we know P, then we can find Q. हमारे पास P की वैल्यूज है, so हम उसमें से Q फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. So Q equal to 1 minus 0.6 and 1 minus 0.6 is 0.4. So we get the value of Q also. Now we have P and Q both. Okay. Now we have to find the probability that in a family of 5 children there are 3 boys. So we write here P of R is the probability. P of R is the probability of R boys. यहाँ पे हम कंसिडर करेंगे R boys born out of n children. टोटल नंबर यहाँ पे सपोज n है, तो उसमें से हम R is the probability. P of R is the probability of R boys born out of n children, because जो हमारा स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है P of R is the probability out of n. So by using the binomial distribution, ना यहाँ पे R कितना है? R is the boys out of n children. Now how many boys? 3 boys, because we have to find probability of 5 children. There are exactly 3 boys. So R is equal to 3. And total number of children are 5. So we take N is equal to 5. So we know that the formula of binomial is, that is P of R equal to NCR, P to the power R, Q to the power N minus R. So it becomes, now we have to obtain the probability. In family of 5 children, there are exactly 3 boys. So we have to find P of 3. That is N. What is N? Number of children are 5. 5 CR, R is 3 into P to the power. Now what is P to the power? R is 3, PQ. Then Q to the power N minus R. N is 5. 5, R is 3. So it becomes P of 3 is equal to, here 5C3, P to the power 3, but P is 0.6 cube into Q is equal to 0.4 to the power 2. So what is P of 3? P of 3 is 5C3 into 0.6 cube into 0.4 square. अगर हम इसको सॉल्व करें तो हमें क्या वैल्यू मिलेगी? We get the value 0.3456. So probability in a family of 5 children, there are exactly 3 boys is 0.3456. Okay students, यहाँ पे हमें बाइनॉमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन यूज करना है. सो हमें यहाँ पे गिवन प्रोबेबिलिटी P गिवन था, इसमें से हमने Q फाइंड आउट किया और उसके बाद टोटल नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन 5 है, उसमें से 3 बॉयज है, इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी हमें फाइंड आउट करना है एग्जैक्टली 3 बॉयज की. सो वी यूज द फॉर्मूला. सो n is equal to 5, R equal to 3, we put all the values and simplify it. We get probability of 3 boys is 0.3456. Okay student, हमारा आंसर करेक्ट है क्योंकि प्रोबेबिलिटीज ऑलवेज लाइज बिटवीन -1 to +1. ओके, इसके बाद हम नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल देखेंगे. So student, second example, 6 dice are thrown 729 times. 6 dice are thrown 729 times. How many times do you expect at least 3 dice to show a 5 or 6? Okay, we have to find how many times do you expect. How many times do you expect at least 3 dice? Means we have to find the probability of at least 3 dice to show a 5 or 6. मतलब हमें यहाँ पे क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? Probability of at least 3 dice to show 5 or 6. Okay, so that first of all, see the probability of throwing 2 in a single die. First of all, what we have to write down? यहाँ पे हमें क्या फाइंड करना है कि 3 die, at least 3 dice to show 5 or 6. Okay, तो सबसे पहले हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है कि the probability of throwing 2 in a single die is equal to क्या आएगा? Probability of total die is 6, so 2 by 6 is 1 by 3. So probability of throwing 2 in a single die is 1 by 3. So we have P, there we can obtain Q because P plus Q equal to 1. If P plus Q equal to 1, then Q is equal to 1 minus P. So it becomes 1 minus 1 by 3 equal to 2 by 3. So Q is 2 by 3. Okay, P is the success and Q is the failure. इसके बाद if 6 dice are thrown simultaneously, if 6 dice are thrown simultaneously, then what is n? N equal to 6 because we have total 6 die. So 6 dice are thrown simultaneously, so n is equal to 6. Okay. Now by using the binomial distribution, क्या है formula? P of R equal to NCR, into p to the power r into q to the power n minus r. That is the formula. Then we have to find probability of at least 3 dice to show 5 or 6. So p of r with the probability of at least 3 dice to show 5 or 6. Okay. In general, we denote p of r with the probability of at least 3 dice to show 5 or 6. So it can be written as probability of at least 3 dice. 3 dice is equal to क्या आएगा? हमें एटलीस्ट 3 डायस टू शो करना है कि 5 और 6 आती है ना, 5 और 6 आता है हमें शो करना है, तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? एटलीस्ट है, एटलीस्ट 3. सो इट बिकम 1 माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 0 प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 1 प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 2. हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? एटलीस्ट 3 है तो हमें 1 माइनस ऑफ 0 1 2 करना है. 1 minus of probability of 0 plus probability of 1 plus probability of 2, because at least है. So it becomes 1 minus probability of 0. Now p of 0 can be written as from p of r. From p of r, p of 0 is nc0 into p to the power 0 into q to the power n minus 0. That is p of 0 from the formula. Now p of 1 become nc1 into p to the power 1 q to the power n minus 1 plus p of 2. P of 2 is nc2 p to the power 2 q to the power n minus 2. Okay, so it becomes 1 minus. Now n, what is n? n is total number of die. Total number of die are 3, 6. So 6 C0 P. P क्या है? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 to the power 0 into Q. Q is, what is Q? Q is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 to the power n. What is n? n is 6. 6 minus 0 is 6. Plus second term 6C1 into p to the power 1. Now p is 1 by 3 to the power 1. Q is 2 by 3 to the power n minus 1 is, n is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5 plus 6C2 into 1 by 3 to the power 2 into 2 by 3 to the power, n is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. अब हमें इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है. 1 माइनस ऑफ 6 is 0. 1 by 3 to the power 0 is 1. 2 by 3 to the power 6 करना है प्लस 6c1. 1 by 3 to the power 1 by 3. 2 by 3 to the power 5 plus 6c2. 1 by 3 to the power 2 into 2 by 3 to the power 4. If we simplify it, then we get the value 233 divided by 729. Okay, after simplification we get probability of at least 3 die is 233 divided by 729. इसको आप कैसे में सॉल्व करना है? we get 233 by 729. ना इसके बाद देखो हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है. Here we get probability of at least 3 dice is equal to 233 by 729. But we have to find, but here 6 dice are thrown 729 times. ये हो गया 1 टाइम के लिए, लेकिन हम ऐसा कब तक करेंगे? 729 टाइम्स. So 729 times, what we get for 729 times or expected number, हमें फाइंड आउट करना है expected number, that is 729 times. तो 1 टाइम के लिए अगर 233/729 तो 729 टाइम फ्रेम में क्या मिलेगा 729 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 233/729. So 729 get cancelled. We get simply 233. Means here we get the probability of at least 3 die to show 5 or 6 at 729 times is 233. Okay students, I hope आपको एग्जाम्पल समझ में आया होगा. यहाँ पे सिंपली हमें फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्रोबेबिलिटी देखनी है. अगर एटलीस्ट आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा कि जो आपके एटलीस्ट 3 है, अगर यहाँ पे एटलीस्ट 3 है तो हम क्या करेंगे कि प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 0, 1, 2 उसकी जो प्रीवियस प्रोबेबिलिटी है वो 1 से माइनस करेंगे. ओके, देन दी नेक्स्ट पार्ट. So student, second type of distribution is Poisson distribution. Now Poisson distribution is used when n is very large. The number n is very large and p is very small. Then we use the Poisson distribution. But binomial distribution is used when n is small and p is large. Okay. So see the Poisson distribution. Let P of R with the probability of R success and n trial. P of R with the probability of R success and n trial. Then by using the Poisson distribution, P of R equal to e to the power minus m to the power r divided by r factorial. Okay, बाइनोमियल और पॉइसन में फॉर्मूला चेंज है, लेकिन बाइनोमियल एंड पॉइसन कब यूज होगा? पॉइसन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज यूज व्हेन n इज लार्ज एंड p स्मॉल. बट बाइनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इसके एग्जैक्टली अपोजिट है. बाइनोमियल कब यूज होगा? व्हेन n इज स्मॉल एंड p इज लार्ज. ओके, ये आल्सो रिकरेंस रिलेशन ऑफ पॉइसन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. Now recurrence relation of Poisson distribution is P of r plus 1 is equal to m upon r plus 1 into probability of r. Okay. Now see the example. If the probability of a bad reaction from a certain injection is 0.001, we have given that the probability of bad reaction from a certain injection that is 0.001. यहाँ पे देखो पॉइसन में क्या रहता है? P स्मॉल. यहाँ पे देखो P स्मॉल है. ओके, बाइनोमियल में क्या था? P लार्ज था. आपको एग्जांपल कैसे, आपको एग्जांपल में सिंपली एग्जांपल गिवन रहेगा, वहाँ पे बाइनोमियल या पॉइसन गिवन नहीं रहेगा. आपको देखना है कि एग्जांपल पॉइसन का है या नॉर्मल का है. नॉर्मल में क्या रहता है, सॉरी पॉइसन या तो बाइनोमियल में क्या रहता है? n स्मॉल, लेकिन यहाँ पे n ग्रेटर. पॉइसन में p स्मॉल और बाइनोमियल में p लार्ज. सो यहाँ पे p इज 0.001. ओके, नाउ फाइंड द चांस दैट आउट ऑफ 2000 individuals, find the chance that out of 2000 individuals, number 1, more than 2 will get bad reaction. फर्स्ट पार्ट में more than 2000 में से more than 2 will get bad reaction. Okay, then exactly 3 will get bad reaction. हमारे पास टोटल नंबर ऑफ इंडिविजुअल कितने हैं? 2000. उसमें सबसे पहले हमें क्या देखना है कि more than 2 will get bad reaction. सेकंड पार्ट में exactly 3 will get bad reaction. And third part में none of will get bad reaction. Means we have to obtain its probability. And fourth part में more than 1 will get bad reaction. Okay, तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? जो गिवन पार्ट है वो डिनोट करेंगे और बाद में देखेंगे हमें क्या क्या फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल probability of bad reaction from a certain injection is, we have given is 0.01, means probability is 0.001, that is given. Okay, also we have given that 2000 individuals, means n is equal to 2000, that is also given. Okay, we have given p and n. उसके बाद हमें फाइंड आउट करना है मीन. नोट में लिखा था हमने मीन यम इक्वल टू एन पी. सो यम इक्वल टू एन इज 2000 इंटू पी 0.001. सो व्हाट इज यम? हमें यहाँ पे यम फाइंड आउट करना है. यम हमें कैसे मिलेगा? यम इक्वल टू एन पी. सो यम इक्वल टू n is 2000, p is 0.001. So if we multiply it, then what we get? We get the value of m is 2. Okay, we get m is 2. अब हमें फॉर्मूला लिखना है. See the formula. Let p of r be the probability of r success and n try. But here we have to obtain the probability of bad reaction. So we denote here p of r with the probability of bad reaction. That is, then using the binomial distribution. क्या है फॉर्मूला? p of r equal to e to the power minus m into m to the power r divided by r factorial. That is the formula. Okay, अब हमें फाइंड आउट करना है probability of more than 2 will get bad reaction, probability of exactly 3 will get bad reaction, probability of none will get bad reaction, and probability of more than 1 will get the bad reaction. Okay, so we find one by one. So number 1, more than 2, we have to find probability of So number 1, let p of r be the probability of more than 2 will get bad reaction. Okay, so we get probability of more than 2. More than 2. अब हमारे पास टोटल नंबर ऑफ इंडिविजुअल कितने हैं? 2000. अब 2000 में से हमें मोर देन 2 चाहिए. मतलब 2 मोर देन 2 कितना आएगा? मोर देन 2. तो 3 से स्टार्ट होगा. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 3 प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 4 प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 5 अप टू प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 2000, क्योंकि मोर देन 2 है. अब देखो मोर देन 2, लेकिन यहाँ पे नंबर 3 से 2000 तक है. सो इतनी वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट करना पॉसिबल नहीं है. तो हमारे पास दूसरा ऑप्शन है. इतनी वैल्यूज निकालने से बेटर है कि हम इसकी प्रीवियस वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? 1 माइनस ऑफ 3 से स्टार्ट है तो 3 की प्रीवियस वैल्यू क्या आएगी? 0, 1, 2. तो हम इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? 1 माइनस ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 0 प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 1 प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 2. सो इट कैन बी रिटन एज 1 माइनस ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 0 प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 1 प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 2. ओके, सो इट बिकम 1 माइनस. नाउ p of 0. अब देखो फॉर्मूला क्या है हमारा? p of r है तो यहाँ पे r की वैल्यू क्या पुट करनी है? 0. तो p of 0 क्या आएगा? e to the power minus m into m to the power 0 divided by r is 0, 0 factorial plus e to the power minus 1 m to the power 1 divided by 1 factorial plus e to the power minus m to the power 2 divided by 2 factorial. Okay. So 1 minus e to the power minus m. What is m? M is 2. E to the power minus 2. Then m is 2. 2 to the power 0 divided by 0 factorial plus e to the power minus 2 because m is 2. 2 to the power 1 upon 1 factorial plus e to the power minus 2. 2 square divided by 2 factorial. Okay. If we simplify it, then we get, इसको आपको कैलसी पे सॉल्व करना है. If we solve, we get probability of more than 2 will get bad reaction is equal to क्या आएगा 0.325. Okay, 0.325. That is the first part. Now second part. अब second part में क्या है? We have to find the probability of more than exactly 3. Exactly 3 will get bad reaction. So let P of R be the probability of exactly 3. Exactly 3 will get bad reaction. Now यहाँ पे exactly 3 है तो R की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? Only 3. Therefore P of 3 equal to P of 3 क्या आएगा? E to the power minus m into m to the power 3 upon 3 factorial equal to e to the power, what is m? M is 2 minus 2 upon 3 factorial or 2 to the power 3. If we solve it, then we get the value 0.18. Okay, so we get probability of exactly 3 will get bad reaction is 0.18. Okay, that is second one. Now third part में क्या करना है? Probability किसकी फाइंड करना है? None will get. None मतलब nothing, मतलब 0. थर्ड पार्ट में let P of R be the probability of none will get bad reaction. तो R की वैल्यू यहाँ पे कितनी आएगी? 0. Therefore P of 0 equal to e to the power minus m to the power 0 upon 0 factorial. जस्ट फॉर्मूला में हमें क्या करना है? वैल्यूज पुट करनी है. So e to the power, what is m is 2 minus 2 to the power 0 upon 0 factorial. So probability of none will get the bad reaction कितना आएगा? It become 0.135. Okay, that is the third part. अब fourth part में क्या है? Probability of more than 2, not more than 2, more than 1. Probability of more than 1 will get bad reaction. More than 1 find करना है हमें. So number 4, let P of R with the probability of more than 1 will get bad reaction. अब more than 1 है तो कहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा? 2 से. 2 plus probability of 3 plus probability of 2000. Okay, so what we get? अब देखो more than 1 है तो more than 1 के लिए अब 2 से 2000 तक तो हम सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते. हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? 2 की जो प्रीवियस वैल्यू है वो 1 से माइनस करना है. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 0 प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 1. अब यहाँ पे probability of 0, 1 minus probability of 0 plus probability of 1, it become, हाँ, तो क्या आएगी हमारी वैल्यू? probability of 1 minus probability of 0 plus probability of 1, and 1 minus probability of 0 is by using the formula e to the power minus m to the power 0 upon 0 factorial plus e to the power minus m to the power 1 divided by 1 factorial. Put the value of r, put the value of m. If we put the value of m, what we get? We get 1 minus of e to the power minus 2, m is 2 to the power 0 upon 0 factorial plus e to the power minus 2 to the power 1 upon 1 factorial. And if we solve it, then we get probability of more than 1. More than 1 will get bad reaction is equal to 0.595. Okay. देखो यहाँ पे हमने probability of more than 2, probability of more than 1, probability of exactly 3 and none, इसकी probability find की, will get the bad reaction. Okay. Poisson और binomial distribution both are the same. Simply change क्या है कि binomial में n की वैल्यू स्मॉल रहती है, Poisson में लार्ज रहती है. binomial में p की वैल्यू लार्ज रहती है, तो Poisson में क्या रहता है? p की वैल्यू स्मॉल रहती है. इतना ही चेंज है, बाकी तो सेम है. ओके स्टूडेंट, आई होप आपको बायनॉमियल एंड पॉइसन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन समझ में आया होगा. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. ओके स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू वेरी मच.